Are you seeing the SD card speed slow error on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3? In this video, we'll walk through several troubleshooting steps to help you resolve this issue and get back to recording. Fix number 1. Use a compatible high-speed SD card. First, power off your camera and eject the card. Check if it's rated V30 or U3, which are recommended. If not, replace it with a compatible card from DJI's list. Insert it and test your recording again. Fix 2. Format your SD card directly in the camera. Back up your files first, then power on the Pocket 3. Swipe down to access the control panel, tap the gear icon for settings, select Storage, and choose Format SD Card. Wait for the process to finish. Fix 3. Update your firmware. Ensure your battery is at least 50% charged. Connect your device to the DJI Mimo app via Bluetooth. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it, then restart your device. Fix 4. Adjust your recording settings. Lowering resolution or frame rate reduces the demand on your SD card. Power on the device, select your video mode, and access the settings icon. From there, navigate to resolution and frame rate to choose lower settings and test again. Fix 5. Clean the slot and the card. Debris can cause read and write errors. With the device powered off, eject the card and gently wipe the gold contacts with a lint-free cloth. Use short bursts of compressed air on the card slot, then reinsert your card. Remember, you can manage these settings either directly on your Osmo Pocket 3 or remotely through the DJI Mimo app. Both offer easy ways to format storage, adjust resolutions, and monitor your device's performance.